Welcome to our recycling factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of old cars are recycled into powerful steel pipes.
Before recycling begins, each old car is carefully dismantled to separate reusable components. Before recycling begins, each old car is carefully dismantled to separate reusable components. Massive magnets extract valuable steel from the shredded car scrap.
And that's how millions of old cars are recycled into steel pipes used in the Burj Khalifa, from scrap to skyscraper.
After melting the scrap from millions of old cars, the molten steel is carefully refined to remove impurities before forming steel pipes for Burj Khalifa. Before shaping into pipes, the recycled steel billets from old cars are reheated to extreme temperatures.
Massive rollers gradually transform the recycled steel into hollow cylindrical structures. After forming, the recycled steel pipes made from old cars are straightened to ensure perfect. Controlled cooling strengthens the recycled steel pipes and locks in their structural integrity. Surface polishing removes oxidation and prepares the recycled steel pipes for structural use.
We are reaching maximum load capacity.
There's minor deformation at the weld point, but it's holding. The recycled steel is strong.
It's performing within the parameters we projected.
Confirmed. The structural integrity remains sound.
Once tested, the recycled steel pipes are cut to exact dimensions required for skyscraper construction.
To ensure durability, the recycled steel pipes made from old cars receive specialized anti-corrosion coatings before.
Galvanizing adds another layer of protection, ensuring the recycled steel pipes resist corrosion for decades.
Each recycled steel pipe receives a unique identification code for traceability and quality assurance. From recycled scrap to construction-ready steel pipes, the journey continues to the world's tallest skyscrapers. After production, the recycled steel pipes made from old cars begin their journey toward construction projects like the Burj Khalifa. Global shipping networks transport these recycled steel pipes from the recycling factory to major construction hubs. Once delivered, the recycled steel pipes are inspected again before being used in skyscraper construction.
Gauge reads within tolerance. Check the label.
Confirmed. Surface quality is excellent.
Raise it slightly, we need clearance. Roger, raising slowly. Perfect, bring it down now.
From discarded vehicles to structural steel, the recycled pipes now support one of the most iconic skyscrapers on Earth.
Before completion, every recycled steel pipe made from old cars is inspected to ensure it meets the strict safety standards required for the Burj Khalifa.
The phased array shows a minor subsurface indication right here.
Confirmed. The caliper reading is within tolerance, but let's log the anomaly.
Advanced testing ensures the recycled steel pipes can handle the immense loads required by one of the tallest buildings in the world.
From discarded vehicles to engineering marvel, recycled steel pipes now support one of the world's most iconic buildings.
millions of old cars were recycled to create the steel pipes that help support the Burj Khalifa.
And that's how millions of old cars are recycled into steel pipes used in the Burj Khalifa, from scrap metal to skyscraper engineering.